Hi guys, this is again amifullest. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to show you guys this wig, to do like a review, because I did an unboxing on this wig but I haven't tried on, so I just came here to show you guys a quick review. And I really excuse the noise in the background, please, that's my kids. Please excuse the noise. So we went out. I had my makeup on early in the morning, and if you guys want to see how I get this look, I'll put a link below. You guys can go and check my beauty channel. So yeah, so I did my makeup and I wear this wig. The weather was so nice today in Holland, so I decided to went outside with my kids. We went to have fun, so I decided, you know what, let me try this weave on, let me just see how it looks, the weather, what gonna. At first I was kind of like I was a little bit like, oh, should I wear it, should I not wear it? But I try my way out. I didn't pluck it. All I do, I just use this is the part that it came in with. I didn't pluck it. I just take a flat iron and kind of flat iron it. I watch a lot of tutorials on YouTube, so I kind of flat iron it and flat iron the wig a little bit. And then what I did is I take my foundation. I can take my foundation, I put it a little bit on top of it, and then kind of like brush it. So yeah, it's shed, okay, it's shed, but it's not like super bad. It's not that like very bad. If you guys have not seen the unboxing, I'll put the link here, you guys can then check that video out. But it doesn't shed that really bad, but it do have, when you comb it, it do have like 1 or 2 hair that will comes out, you know. You do have like something that will comes out like this, but it's not like that really bad. It's very simple. I really like it. I flat iron it and I wash it before I use it. I kind of wash the hair. I wash it, I conditioner it, and then I flat iron it. I didn't pluck it and then cut the cap. I didn't use any glue. The only way I use the glue is the gel, like the gel thing is on my edges here to lay down this little part of my baby hair. But the rest I didn't, like, it's not, you guys can see it's not glued. Because what I did is I watched on YouTube and they say I did the elastic. I had an elastic at the back. If you guys can see, please excuse the noise, please, I beg you guys, excuse the noise. I saw an elastic at the back, and so the elastic from like hair to hair, I saw an elastic, and that elastic is the one that holds. Let me turn around so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Excuse the noise in the background, that's my daughter. So you guys can see like this is the elastic. You guys, it's very tight, not that very tight, but it's tight enough to hold, to make sure that this side lays down very flat, because I didn't want to like glue, because I was thinking about, yeah, I don't want to destroy my my edges, and I also don't want to destroy my natural hair. So I braid my hair all back, and then I braid it, and then I take the end of the braid, I continue to braid another one. That's what I did. So yeah, I love it. And I went outside today. This was a whole different look. I felt when I put this wig on, I did my makeup, I have this dark lipstick. Now my lipstick a little bit it's a little bit wiped up, because we went to eat some ice and eat other things outside. But when I finished my makeup and I had this lipstick on and I had my dress on and I have everything, I felt like one of this bad Instagram model, dark skin. That's what I felt like. Because I really like the wig, and I had a lot of compliments outside. A friend of mine, which maybe she's gonna watch this video later, as soon as I post on Snapchat, I post like, you know, little Snapchat filter, and she was like, where did you get this Brazilian wig? I didn't comment, I just say hi. I just said to her, are you the only one that know how to wear good wig? I know she's gonna kill me when she sees this video, but yeah, she thought that it was a Brazilian hair. I'm like, oh, no, it's not a Brazilian hair. And I really like it. I really like this hair. It's very good. It's very simple. I conditioner it and then I flat iron it. It's shed, but it doesn't shed that really much, you know, like super bad. So yeah, so far so good. I really like it. Like, I really like it. You guys can see my it's not even glue. Like, with the cap, with the elastic band, it stays in place. Like, the hair does not move. The only thing is that I noticed that I'm not used to wig, and so I always like have to do like this or do like this so that it doesn't get on my face. And my son was looking at me like, I had a brush with me, so when we go outside, when it got on my face, instead of me playing it, I just take the brush and I do like this. And my son would be like, "What is this?" And I'm like, "Yeah." He was like, I've never seen you comb your hair this much." I'm like, "Yeah, this is something new for me, so I have to get used to it. It comes on my face, and I don't really like it. It's kind of uncomfortable when it comes on your face. So I'm really like, how those people who wear weave every day, how do they cope? Like, this is just too much. It's nice, it's really cute, I really like it. So this is what the wig look like. As I said on my last video, it's 12 inches. This is what it looks like, the front. And let me turn to the back so you guys can see the back. This is the back. The back is a little bit shorter, so this is what it looks like. And I really like it. I really like it. I really like it. So, and then I also get the other wig. Another one is also in, which I'll do unboxing for you guys after this video. So yeah, this is it. I really like this wig. This is like 19 euros wig. You can tell me nothing. This is good, and I think I did a good job with the front. Or what do you guys think? I think I did a good job. I think I did a good job because it lays very cut. It doesn't really move. The elastic is very nice. I found this method on YouTube because I felt like gluing your hair all the time. I want to able to take it out when I'm home and put it on when I'm going out. So I thought the elastic method was very nice, and you also don't destroy your edges. So the little glue I put here, you can just spray water or take a sponge with water and then it can wipe off. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So I hope you guys like this video, and it's very easy to comb, very easy to brush. You know, you have to be careful. Like here, if you're going to flat iron, make sure you flat iron all the way to the end. The end is kind of, it's get a little bit like difficult to brush. Like from here it's very smooth, but when it comes here it's a little bit kind of difficult. But you just have to like, you can't just go like all the way like boom. You have to like hold it and then brush it out, you know, because you get a little bit like, I don't know whether it's tangled or no, it's kind of a little bit difficult to comb, you know, a little bit difficult to comb sometimes, like the end, like here. But yeah, I like it, and I get a lot of compliments. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram for more pictures, and then my Facebook like page. I'll put all the links below. This is your girl, amifullest, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Peace out. Bye.